Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Class 9 chapter number 4. Today is our topic equilibrium, and we will discuss the second equation of the equilibrium. Second equation for equilibrium. First condition for equilibrium does not ensure that a body is in equilibrium. This is clear from the following examples. Let's suppose here that is example number 1 and that is example number 2. Consider a body is pulled by the forces F1 and F2 as shown in the figure. These two forces are equal but opposite in direction to each other. Both are acting along the same line. Hence their resultant will be 0. According to first condition of equilibrium, the body will be in equilibrium. That is the first statement and the first example that satisfies the first condition. Now we will locate these two forces changes the point within the example number 2. Here we can see that now we shift the location of forces as shown in the figure. That point is the center, of the both objects, and we shift these forces to the this top and the second one on that point. In this situation, a body is not in the equilibrium, although the first condition for equilibrium is still satisfied. This is because the body has the tendency to rotate. Here we can see that these two forces are have the not the same line of action. Then we can say that this object can be rotated. This situation demands another condition for the equilibrium in addition to the first condition of equilibrium, and that condition is known as the second condition for equilibrium. According to this, we can say that a body is said to be satisfied the second condition for equilibrium when the resultant torque acting on it is 0. Here we have a definition. A body is said to be satisfied second condition for equilibrium when the resultant torque acting on it 0, and mathematically the formula will be summation torque is equal to 0, and that is the second condition of a equilibrium. And we know that symbol is belong to the Greek letters and it is known as a summation. और ये हमारे पास है उसकी second equation of equilibrium.